Higher, faster, further. The new Porsche Taycan. We've improved it in almost every discipline. Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Geek, and today I have the pleasure of introducing you to the new Taycan. We are proud of this success story. To date, we have produced 150,000 units. Let's start with the design. With new front sections, new rear sections, and new headlights and rear lights, our colleagues at Style Porsche have further sharpened the clear, purist design of the Taycan. The flat headlights give the Taycan even more width and sportiness. The new LED main headlights with high-resolution HD matrix technology and 32,000 LEDs now produce the typical 4-point graphics, even at night. The Porsche lettering and the light strip at the rear is now available with lighting and animation on request for the first time. We now have aerodynamically optimized wheel tire combinations for all models. This means an on-top range of up to 40 kilometers for all models. Let's continue with the suspension, one of our core competencies. All Taycan models are now available with adaptive air suspension. The new Porsche Active Ride suspension can be ordered as an option. This enables us to achieve a previously unknown spread between driving dynamics and comfort. The new system keeps the Taycan horizontal at all times during braking, acceleration, and steering. The Taycan literally sticks to the road. The new Taycan is also significantly faster and more powerful. Let me give you two examples. With the Taycan and the Taycan Turbo S as a sports sedan, we reached the 100 km/h mark in 4.8 and 2.4 seconds, respectively. And we were up to 0.6 seconds faster than our predecessors. With the new push-to-pass function from the Sport Chrono package, we can provide up to 70 kilowatts more power for 10 seconds. Derived from the racetrack, it increases driving pleasure and makes overtaking maneuvers easier. The new Taycan Turbo S has 140 kilowatts more power with launch control. This means a system output of 700 kilowatts. The maximum recuperation power during deceleration from high speeds increases by more than 30%, from 290 to 400 kilowatts. Although our models are now up to 15 kilograms lighter, the standard equipment has become even more extensive. For example, the parking assistant with reversing camera, folding side mirrors, electric charging flaps on both sides, heat pump, heated seats, ambient lighting, Porsche Intelligent Range Manager, Drive Mode Switch, and Power Steering Plus now come as standard. Porsche customers will benefit from the upgraded model series in several ways. For example, the WLTP range increases to up to 678 kilometers. This means an increase of 175 kilometers, or up to 35%. At DC charging stations with 800 volts, we can achieve charging capacities of up to 320 kilowatts. We can recharge up to 315 kilometers in 10 minutes. The charging robustness also increases. We can provide 300 kilowatts for up to 5 minutes. This reduces the charging time from 10 to 80%, despite 12% higher battery capacity to 18 minutes. Let me summarize the three main advantages of the new Taycan: higher performance, faster charging times, longer ranges. The new Taycan is one of the most extensive facelifts in the history of Porsche AG. We are proud of what we have achieved.
Porsche has given its 2025 Taycan a serious makeover, but you might not notice it at first glance. While the exterior looks similar to the older model, there's a whole lot of changes under the hood. The Taycan Turbo S now packs a whopping 938 horsepower when you engage launch control. That's a significant jump from the previous model's 750 horsepower. With this power boost, the Taycan Turbo S claims it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, making it the most powerful road car Porsche has ever produced, even outshining the 887 horsepower of the 918 Spider. The secret sauce behind this surge in power lies in the new motors. They fit snugly into the same space as the old ones, but come with updated internals for more oomph. The rear motor can now churn out an extra 107 horsepower, and it's shed about 20 pounds in weight. Every Taycan model gets these new motors, and while Porsche hasn't spilled all the beans on specs yet, they did mention that the base rear drive model now pushes out 483 horsepower. While the official EPA numbers aren't out yet, Porsche has worked hard to boost efficiency and range. The magic behind the increased range lies in the new battery pack with revamped cell chemistry. The Performance Battery Plus now boasts a gross capacity of 105 kilowatt-hour, up from 93.4 kilowatt-hour, with a net usable capacity of 98.6 kilowatt-hour. Even the base models get a bump to an 89 kilowatt-hour gross, 83.6 kilowatt-hour net battery pack. And despite the increase in capacity, these new packs are lighter than before. Porsche didn't stop there. They've ramped up the Taycan's energy regeneration capability, bumped up charging speeds to 320 kilowatt, and enhanced its aerodynamics and thermal management. The result? Faster charging times and longer range on a single charge. Chassis upgrades include standard air suspension for all US spec Taycan and an optional Porsche Active Ride system for all-wheel drive models. Inside, there are subtle tweaks to the gauge cluster and infotainment system, along with a cool push-to-pass button for models with the Sport Chrono package. But here's the kicker. All these upgrades come at a cost. The base 2025 Taycan starts at $101,395, a bump from $92,550 for the previous model, while the top-tier Turbo S Cross, Turismo, will set you back $213,695.